All right, Newt, what do you have for me here?
All right.
What's this one first?
You're pointing to the 1910 Browning. That's in 380, and that was the pistol that basically started World War I. Princeps used a similar model to do his assassination bit.
Can you handle it for me?
Just my hands, man. First we're going to do is lock the slide back, and we're going to withdraw the magazine.
Oh, wow.
Now this particular one was brought back by a GI in World War II. It's commercial. There's no Nazi marks on it. It's Belgian FN manufacture.
380, nice. And I can tell the magazine button is not here, but
yeah, it's
right
a
there.
heel release.
Heel release. How many rounds does it take in a magazine?
In
380,
that takes like 6 rounds.
6 rounds, okay.
But it's a very compact pistol.
Yeah, I could see that. Now, what's this one up
All
top
right,
here?
That's a Colt 1903 model. It's a 32 ACP. That belonged to a friend of mine who actually was carried by a relative of his who was a detective in New York City.
Oh, wow. Can you handle it?
Sure. Well, first we're going to lock the slide back. And this also has a heel release on the magazine.
Now, this is in 32 caliber.
That's 32.
Wow. You don't see a lot of 32s.
They had another model they called a 1908, and that was in 380 caliber.
Not a common round anymore. Well, I mean, I bet it's still being made.
Oh, sure. It was one of the most popular police rounds when I was stationed in Germany. They all carried 32 auto pistols, mostly Walther PPs.
Okay. Now.
All right. Now
this one, the most common I could see, but what's this one?
Well, that's 1911, and this one was made about 1919, I think.
Oh, wow.
1918 or 1919.
This is almost 100 years old.
That's right.
Now, what I could see is the rear sight here.
Yeah, that's for guys with degenerate old eyes that can't see the sights. That was just like a drift-in replacement sight.
This wasn't here? Like this wasn't...
That was a drift-in replacement sight, yeah.
45 ACP.
That's correct.
Lovely. 7-shot in a magazine?
That's correct.
Okay. Now, below it, it's competitor.
Yeah, P-08, adopted by the German Army in 1908. I'm going to lock the slide back, drop the magazine.
Now the P-08, very innovative design, especially with the angle of the grip and the slide.
You'll find if you handle a Glock,
yeah,
that grip angle is copied in the Glock.
Yeah. But during what? During the early 20th century.
The Luger started out, actually, it was designed by an American Borchardt, and Luger took the Borchardt design and refined it. The first Luger to be adopted by European military was the Swiss. About 1906, the German Navy adopted one in 9mm. The Swiss used 7.65 Luger, and that's just an oldie but goodie.
Oh yeah. How many rounds in the magazine?
That'll take 9 rounds.
Oh wow.
And
Last but not least,
yep, here's Smith & Wesson.
good
Which
old Smith & Wesson.
It's a lot like the 1917, but this happens to be a 1938 Brazilian.
Really? What caliber in this?
45 ACP.
Made in the USA.
Substantially identical to our 1917.
Yeah. Fire 6 rounds. Very lovely.
All right, well,
Very lovely,
I
Newt.
hope this has helped you in your research, etc.
Oh yeah.
Because you won't trip over too many of these.
Oh yeah, with this one. Oh yeah, not this one. Fantastic pieces, Newt. Fantastic.
Oh man, look at that.
Just some old junk that I've accumulated. Right?
Old junk.
That's junk, yeah, that's
Yeah,
junk.
right. Good stuff.
That's good junk.